Oh. What are you angry? What's the matter? What? What a mouth.
Kiss your mom with that mouth?
Has anybody ever told you you're obnoxious? Why, yes, I live with you and I tell you that every day.
The movie we just saw?
Do you have a story to tell me? Use your inside voice. Back off, Buster. Sit. Okay, now tell me more. I want to know all about it. What's the matter? Did you have more stories to tell me, Baba? Oh, I'm sorry. Did you have anything else you wanted to say? Yeah? What else? No, back up. Off.